Hi everyone! So this is the second video you're watching today, and I hope that everybody saw in the first video a really great strategy that we're going to give a try to right now. And that is that when you have mixed coins to count, so you have a little bit of nickels, dimes, and pennies mixed together, it's really important that you organize your coins in order from the one that's worth the most to the one that's worth the least. So for example, in this row here, we can see dime is worth the most, 10 cents. So we're going to count that first. That's just an easier way to count when you're starting with the biggest number and working to the smallest. Okay, let me pick a color. Perfect. And let's start counting. We're going to do a few examples. So these are the actual slides you're going to be working on today. There's 4 of them. So we'll just jump around and do a few different examples on these slides so that hopefully you understand. All right, let's take a look at this first box. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. We're going to start counting with that nickel. So here I go. I'm writing 5 on that nickel because it's worth 5 cents. A penny's worth 1 more cent. So now I'm thinking in my head, 5 and 1 more makes 6, and then 1 more makes 7. So in total, I have 7 cents. All right, let's try something with a dime now. Let's go down to this row. So a dime is worth 10 cents. So I'm going to start by writing 10 on my dime. So we are already at 10, and now we're going to switch over and count by 5. We're going to add 5 more to 10. So 10 and 5 make 15. And now I'm switching again and counting by ones. So I'm at 15. And now I'm going to add another 1, which will be 16. And another 1, which will be 17. And then another 1 will be 18. So in total in this row, I have 18 cents. Okay. I'm going to flip over to a different slide here. And we'll give it a try. Something a little bit bigger. Let's do something with quarters. Okay. So taking a look at this row here, we've got some quarters and a dime and a nickel. So this is actually let's do the bottom row. That's got a good combination of coins. So starting with our quarters, we're going to have to remember our 25 counting pattern. We did that earlier this year. So I start by counting 25, and then if you remember the pattern, it goes 25, 50, 75, 100, and continues, right? So we have 25, 25 more makes 50, and now we're switching to tens because dimes are worth 10. So 25, 50, now I'm at 50, I have to add 10 to that. I'm going to add 60, and I'm still counting by 10, so I'm going to go 70 here, and now I'm on these nickels, so I'm going to go 75, and this nickel's 5 more, so 75 plus 5 is 80. Okay, now I have 2 more pennies to go. So we're switching to ones now. We're at 80, and now we're going to start counting by ones. So this is 81. This is 82. So in total, in this row, there's 82 cents. I can't wait to see you apply this strategy, counting the biggest coin first. I'm also going to attach a hundreds chart to help you in case you forget some of your counting patterns. Okay, have fun, mathematicians.